Come test drive the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, keyless ignition, USB connection, fog lamps, electronic stability control, power windows, power door locks, leather, Sirius satellite radio, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, head-up display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.